In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit text in Blender. Select the text. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Write any text. You can also go to the object data properties to change the font, thickness, letter spacing and other parameters. To resize the text, select the text and press S and move the mouse. To copy text, click on the text and then press Shift+D. In the Material Properties section, you can change the color of the text. You can download the blend file from the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Blender.